Hello, I'm Matt Webster. Welcome to Top 5. These are the top 5 discipline mistakes new teachers make and how to fix them. This is mistake number 4, turning a blind eye. Problem: ignoring minor infractions. Sometimes it is just easier not to see a problem in your classroom. When a teacher turns a blind eye to a discipline issue in their classroom, whether for reasons of exhaustion, affection, or expediency, they teach their students that the rules are flexible. This can lead to real conflict when it comes time to actually enforce the rules. Students will cry foul or favoritism, and they will not be wrong. Solution: consistency in rules and discipline. As exhausting as it may be to call out and address every infraction you see in your class, it's also an investment. Once you have established your requirements for discipline, students will both expect and respect the rules in your classroom.